Welcome to Pips Pay My Bills. This time around, we've brought a brand new software on board. It's analysis tool software. So as traders, so many times we have less time to look on charts, less time to take. As any trader, you must know that 80% of your time before you take trades must be spent in analysis, such that you find reasons why to trade and why not to trade. But unfortunately, so many times we want to do forex alongside other jobs, our side hustles or side jobs. So in this case, we've brought for you a new software analysis tool. You spend less time on the charts, just a matter of understanding how it works. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how this software works, how it shows you right now. Looking at this chart, you can see a lot of things, not a lot, but just a few arrows. Blue arrow here, purple arrow, then a strong line passing through the market, red, and then here green going up, red, and then here mixture of green and red. This is what I'm going to explain to you here. Maybe here we're also seeing a different dashboard from what you see on your normal charts. Now this is what our software does. It corrects all the pairs your broker provides, and now it will give you the best output, and it will give you all of them here. So at the tip of you changing now from New Zealand dollar USD to USD card, you'll be seeing them going to gold. You'll be seeing it's also analyzed. Going to silver, it is also analyzed. Oscar, every pair around here is analyzed. But for our case study today, we are going to use New Zealand dollar USD in 4-hour time frame. Now let's come back here. When you look at the software, you see a blue arrow here. Now whenever you are trading using the software, look at that arrow. When it points down, that's a point of very strong resistance and a point of the highest possible reversal. Now whenever you see it, it's an indication that if you've been buying and now it is pointing down, stop buying and first leave the market. When points like that, wait for one candle, you can enter. Or if you still don't get chance to enter after this one or two candles, you wait for two candles, then third candle enter, or one candle or second candle enter. If you miss this chance, wait for the second arrow. Now this second arrow gives you the most perfect entry. The most perfect entry. This one gives you the most perfect reversal point, and this one gives you the most perfect entry, just like the way you see here. Now let's see here, it indicated that the reversal was going to happen. It happened, started right away, but then made a small correction. After that small correction, this one shows you that after the correction, this was the most perfect entry. You can see from this entry going down here, let's calculate, or we shall calculate after seeing that the strong line, that it moved from here up to here. Now when you come back up here, we're going to have a look at this strong line passing through. When do you use it? Now when you see this color changing from green to red, you've been in a buy, you see color changing from green to red, then you have to change, or if you've been buying, you have to stop. Now the moment you see this color changing to red and this arrow at the same time pointing at that point, that is a very strong signal. In fact, with this software analysis tool, it will give you a signal alert, something that will look like this. To give you, now you say New Zealand dollar USD 1 hour best, the sell signal you have best here is this. It even gives you as more as possible, such that you don't miss the buy or the sell opportunity. Now when we come back here, we're going to have a look. This line, the moment it shows you red and this arrow comes, just enter that sell and go sleep. Look for the most perfect take profit, and just behind this arrow is where you will put your stop loss. Just behind this other arrow is where you will put your stop loss. Now let's calculate. Let's assume that I had seen the signal from here, and I had to sell New Zealand dollar USD from this point. How many pips shall I have made? Let's get our crosshair from here down here up to when it changed again, because you see here when it reached down, another arrow pointing up, red arrow pointing up, shows you that this is the most possible reversal area. Now here you had to quit. Let's assume that you quit from here. That's 2,400 pips, 423 pips, let's say 400 pips. This is real very serious money, and only a few traders could just come out and see this. Now you see when this reversal happens again, it shows you that there is going to be reversal. It's very strong reversal here, and even this color changes the moment these two coincide. If this line coincides with any of these two, that's the most perfect entry. Now you see here it coincided with this, so you had to enter from here, not until, let's calculate, it moved. The moment you see a mixture of green and red with some red inside and then there's green, that's a consolidation. And you see how it happened here. It shows you that that's a consolidation. Now after the consolidation, what happened? It went up. Let's have a calculation of how many pips you would have made. Now this was the most perfect entry. How many pips were made here? Now look, from here up to when it changed the color again, 1,200 pips. That's a very great deal in a 4-hour chart. So we've tested and approved the software with 80% accuracy. In another video, I'll be showing you how to install the software onto your PC. The copies of the software are now available at Pips Pay My Bills. You contact us through the links that are attached to this channel. You can contact us directly through our WhatsApp number as it's going to be displayed here. Thank you for watching. Just in case of any comments, you can reach out. This is how our software works meanwhile.